Hi, I'm Carlos. I don't have any thing to show you here, but I can talk about my poster for you if you are interested. I'm from University of Arizona right now. I'm a postdoc there. I'm kind of trying to learn a little bit more about machine learning. I have interested in trying to start working in this field and use some of the things I've been studying. My main field is observational astrogalactic astronomy, and my focus is more on Bayesian methods, astrostatistics right now. So it's been a very nice conference to learn a little bit more machine learning, all these new techniques that we have been using in astronomy. My poster is about S+, which is a photometric survey in the southern hemisphere that's going to cover around 9,000 degrees. And it's a mixture of broad and narrowband optical filters. And it's mainly the main goal of the project is to have photoz's in the local universe with relatively cheap in relation to spectroscopic observations, with precision around 1% right now. Our data release is scheduled for the next month, the first public data release. And the first papers are also going to be around next month. They are already in press. My own project is to try to use the same data to try to explore these observations in a similar fashion to IFU observations. So it's a kind of Pursman IFU observations where we have 12 bands, but we have a large number of galaxies. And I've been trying to study stellar populations using Bayesian methods, ages and metal ages of galaxies, and try to map them to obtain their gradients. And my goal is to use the same techniques to around 20,000 galaxies in the southern hemisphere, which is, even though it's a very modest survey, we can do numbers that are comparable to large spectroscopic surveys, such as Khalifa, Manga. And now, of course, we can then extend these methods to be used in these large spectroscopic surveys in the future. And so this is pretty much my main work right now. Okay, thank you. Alberto. Yeah, we have actually the same telescope, same filters, same pipelines. There are two teams that work on those, but there is a very large interaction between the two of them. And together they are going to cover about 18,000 square degrees.
Just curiosity, so J plus and S plus, they are derived from J plus, right?
Yes.
What's the relation?
Oh, yes. I was not there from the beginning, but from what I know is the following. They were planning to do a southern JPass. But then with the budget cuts and everything else, we just end up with the Pathfinder, which is like the J plus and S plus. So yeah, so we kind of come short of the JPass south.